Hi, so in this worked example, I'm just going to demonstrate how we can take our negative function and modify it so that instead of using the getPixels function, like it currently does, I'm going to use the range function so that we can loop over all of the pixels and get them one at a time using the XY coordinates. So you should have your negative function open, and we're just going to save this as negative, call it by range. I'm just going to save it under a new name. And so now I'm just going to convert it. So here, instead of looping over all the pixels using the get pixels, I'm going to say for x in range, and I want to loop from 0 to get width of the picture. Watch your parentheses here. So I'm looping, I want my x coordinate that goes across the picture to go from 0 to get width of the picture. And then inside of that, I'm going to have another loop that's for y in range 0, comma, get height of the picture. And watch your spelling there, and you'll notice the name of the function will turn purple if you spell it correctly. Now, I have to be careful. I need to indent all of these statements that I've been using before inside my for loop, and I've got to add one extra thing. So before we were looping so that while px is, or for px in get pixels, so now I have to get px using the get range, the get pixel function. So I'm going to say px equal get pixel, so it's one pixel from the picture in position x, y, and be sure to put those in the right order. So now I've got the pixel, and once I have the pixel, then the code is exactly the same. We get the red, the green, the blue, create a new color that's the negative of the red, green, and blue, and set the color of the pixel to that pixel, that color. So let's load the program. I'm going to save it, and so now I need to get an image. I'm going to pick a file. And I'm in my media sources here, so I'm just going to pick a picture that I want to negate, and I'll do the clock tower, and then I'm going to do tower equals make picture file, and then I'm going to show the tower here. So now I see my tower picture. And now I'll just call negative, I probably should change the name of that, but that's okay. Negative, it's in a different file. Negative tower. And then I'm going to repaint my tower. And I can see that it's negated the picture. So that's it's basically doing the same thing. We're just doing it in a different way. And the advantage of that is that it allows us, here I'm looping over and getting every single pixel in the picture, but for your hands-on practice, what I want you to do is modify these loops so that instead of looping over the whole picture, you're only looping over the left half or the top part of your picture. And that's going to mean changing our X and Y loops a little bit so that you don't go all the way across the picture, you stop in the middle, or you don't go all the way down, you stop in the middle. So give that a try, and good luck.